In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make money with CPA with paid traffic, not using Google Ads, not using Facebook ads, and I'm gonna show you step by step, so stick with me until the very end of this video and you're gonna definitely learn how you can make money with paid traffic. And let's roll the intro. Okay, first of all, you need to go to CPA house. And that's basically CPA network that we are gonna use in this video. Just go there, sign up. This login, your username, email, fill up all these details. Telegram, if you don't have Telegram as I do, just type it some words, it doesn't matter. Password. Once you're signed up, you're gonna be redirected to this dashboard, because this is the Russian or something site. Just change the language, and now this is basically CPA network as others. What we are going to do is, now what you're going to do, just follow me step by step. Go to sources. We are going to add new source, as I already did this, because we're gonna use this push house or push notifications, basically not ads that are shown on a website, push as they come up as native, right? So we're gonna, now you're going to go to, okay, now sources, source name, just type it here, push house. Source link, just copy paste this push house link like that, and just type it push notification advertising network. Just type it like that. Just click add like that, and it is gonna go accepted. I already did that, it doesn't matter really. So now once you're done that, now the next step is to find your offer to promote with paid ads, like. And now what you're going to do is just go to offers and find your offer. There's a many offers, and I'm gonna show you how you can request an access. Just pick some offer, for example this offer. Just if you find this, you need to push notifications to be checked, because we're gonna do with push notifications traffic. Now what you're going to do is just go to request access. Just leave it as it is like that, because it's in Russia. I don't know. Estimate number of leads, just type it whatever. I type it 100. And now once you're done that, just check this push. Okay, add. Once you're done that, Indonesia, just type it and use the landing page. This is the good this CPA networks, because you have already pre-made landing pages, and conversion rate, it shows you basically how it's converting. So just go there, save and get links. The best 0.02 converting rate. Now what you're going to do is just push house, and this is your link. This is your link, right? Now just once you're done that, just go to flows and you can find all your links. Go to spy house, write it sp.house, spw.house, just type it, and you're gonna be redirected to that site. Now because I already created an account, it's simple as CPA house and push house. This is the product that I already searched out, and just type it your product as I did here, and I'm gonna show you for this one as well. And we can spy on others, see the performance of this, and I'm gonna show you with this product. Now what you're going to do is just click on it and basically download the icon image, everything. Just download it. This is the site where we're going to advertise. Now for this, the minimum payment to add is $50, as you know most these sites, advertising sites, to use for advertising, so keep that in mind. And now what we are going to do, we're going to go to create campaign, link copy. Now title, what you're going to do is just copy all this title. Here you go, go there, text. Okay, now we're going to copy this, just text, paste it here. Now upload your icon. Here you go, just upload it. And now, because I'm gonna Philippines, choose your country, cities can be all. And now for cost per click, how much you're gonna pay per click, you just go to network volume and find the perfect, this is the one, Philippines in this example, and this is the cost per click. This is the recommended, minimum, recommended, and maximum. And now just choose whatever you want, like see how it's 0.007, how much is that per click. Once you choose that, copy it, paste it here. Okay, now devices, check it all, subscription all, browser language, and just all this, leave it as it is. Now daily budget, you can fill up all these forms. Total budget limit, how much you're gonna total budget you have. Daily clicks limit, I don't know, write it how much you want, and just optimize as you wish, like. And now go down, leave it as it is, no, just out, no, and go to save. And once you're done that, your campaign is gonna run. This is for this video, and I hope you find a value. That is, use CPA house. I showed you how you can just go first to source, add your sources, and then to find your offer. Make sure to go to spy.house to basically copy paste all this and just create your campaign. Just paste it, all of this. Find your cost per click in network volume. First make some deposit, and minimum is $50. So make sure to do that, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me down in the comments below what you think of this video. So see you in the next video. Peace.